What?
What do you think about playing game 3?
Send them home. That's it. That's it. Semi-finals. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
I know that the club here, Barrera, wants to discuss and conversate, so we will do that. But anything outside of that there's nothing going on at this moment.
Lebih konsisten aja juga biar bisa menang MVP.
Yo, what's up school fans, and welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to game 3 guys. Ini adalah game penentuan untuk siapa yang akan lolos ke babak IBL Playoff Semifinals. Apakah akan Prawira Bandung atau Satria Muda Pertamina? We shall see tonight. Tapi gue penasaran sih pengen lihat seberapa banyak energi yang Prawira masih punya setelah a big game to win last night. And obviously untuk Satria Muda gue penasaran juga bagaimana mereka akan bounce back malam ini. So itu ya sedikit opening dari gue. I'm very excited for tonight. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Terima kasih udah selalu support channel ini. Pastikan kalian like, komen, dan juga kalau kalian ingin support lebih jauh, pastikan kalian klik join untuk daftar jadi member. And once again, thank you guys for watching, and please enjoy the vlog guys. Prawira bakal butuh Brandis sih untuk get hot again tonight. Penasaran juga kira-kira Brandis akan berapa poin nih. Kayaknya coverage-nya akan lebih ketat sih malam ini sih. Game ketiga gimana Pandu?
Game ketiga seperti game-game biasanya, main tanpa penyesalan nanti ya di akhir.
Kuncinya apa kira-kira kalau pengen menang hari ini?
Fight. That's it.
Thank you Pandu.
Let's go. Go.
Yud, gimana rasanya main game 3 Yud?
Hey, come on. This is bro. Everything can be happen. Anything is possible.
Fan main game ketiga tuh kayak gimana sih Fan rasanya?
Game ketiga pasti buat fans seru ya, karena kan lebih banyak game. Kalau buat pemain sih, ya kita udah latihan sepanjang musim, kayak kita ditentukan di game hari ini. Dua order itu adalah kayak berarti siapa yang latihan lebih keras, siapa yang kasih keringat lebih banyak di lapangan, itu yang akan keluar masuk ke fase berikutnya.
Kalau menurut lu kuncinya apa untuk SM malam ini biar bisa menang?
Kuncinya masukin bola lebih banyak daripada lawan. That's it. Field goal percentage kita harus lebih bagus. Karena game plan menurut gua sih udah jalan ya. Game plan, chemistry udah jalan, tinggal ya itulah basket. Ada offense, ada defense. Siapa yang memasukkan bola lebih banyak, adu strategi. Siapa yang masukin lebih banyak, akhirnya ya itu yang.
Oke. Good luck Van.
Thank you bro.
Thank you. Yeah, what you think playing game 3 bro?
What?
What do you think about playing game 3?
Send them home. That's it. That's it. That's it. Send them home.
Alright, good luck bagi. What's up Shannon? Coach Luis dan juga Coach Cesar memberikan instruksi dulu sebelum game, arahan untuk Amin dan juga Avan. Shannon main bola dulu Shannon. Jago juga jagungnya Shannon ya. Boleh juga. Hilang aja jatuh. Baru jatuh. shot though.
Buat yang meet and greet barengan Bang Mandiri, pendaftaran langsung di booth-nya Bang Mandiri. Tapi buat yang meet and greet bersama dengan seluruh pemain dari Satria Muda, silakan membuat barisan karena kita akan bikin dalam satu sesi, di mana nanti teman-teman akan diarahkan sama teman-teman panitia akan dimulai dari titik yang mana. Hari ini semuanya akan dapat giliran bersama dengan para pemain SM satu sesi saja.
Former teammates, the Buffalo,
Sudah sana?
after the game catching up, Shannon and Corey.
Sebentar ya. Bagi udah aman, udah oke. Yuk kita bisa mulai. 3, 2, 1, go. Udah lari dong.
Shannon!
Semifinals, let's go, baby. Let's
Can you
go.
take us through the last 24 hours? And of course, did you like the sense of urgency from the team?
Yeah, it was a lot of recovery, trying to get fluids, ice bath, normal tech, just trying to get your body right to play a really important game. So it was tough, but I'm glad we did it.
You guys had 25 assists today. Did you
Yeah.
like the offense flowing better today?
Yeah, we were sharing the ball, guys were making shots, so it was great for it. It was good.
Abraham, 20 points. Can you just talk about his
Yeah,
game tonight?
A great player. To me, one of the best local player here.
Man.
I'm glad he's on my team.
You had more energy tonight. Was that your mindset coming into this game?
Yeah, yesterday, I don't know what it was, but I found a secret to recovery. I can't tell nobody, but I found a secret to recovery that I'm gonna start doing more often. So yeah, I got the cheat code.
Alright. Thanks, Shannon. Appreciate you, man.
Playing like their life was on the line, and I think they might have played a little bit harder than us tonight and made more plays. So credit to them, credit to Satria Muda. Very, very tough team, a good basketball team. But the biggest thing I want to say about tonight is not about what happened. It's more about how proud I am of the team. They gave everything they could this season. Everything hasn't been smooth. I guess just like every other team, but we deal with a lot that some people might not even know about. I put these players through difficult situations, practices, even imports in, imports out, people sick, people out, and everybody else has to just not complain, step up and keep going. And that's what this team has done all season long. They've been tremendous. For me, it's been probably my most challenging season, but maybe it's made me so much better as a coach to coach these guys and figure out new ways and new teams and how to coach. And so I grew a lot this season, and I think these guys did as well. We learned so much, but I couldn't be more proud of this team to push them to Game 3 and really make it difficult on that team. And big respect to my basketball team here. Huge love to our Emporia fan base and everybody that supports us. The amazing support and everybody involved, staff, management, everybody. So I just want to give a lot of love, and especially this guy here. We've been doing this since the start, and he's been right there with me. I've been seeing the evolution of this guy all season long. Every year, we think he's so much better, and couldn't be more proud of this guy too. So tough way to end the year. We're not used to this, but it happened, and we all got to grow from it.
All right, thank you, Coach. And Yuda, any comments?
Kalau dari game sih mungkin ya cuma ini sih kayak they wanted more sih hari ini. Kita tadi nggak bisa ngelawan adjust mereka itu di zone, kita kurang bisa punish mereka di zone-nya, terus mereka transisi dan segala macem. Ya they have maksudnya mereka tim yang bagus lah, top team, championship contender. Tapi ya benar kata Coach Dev, saya pribadi cukup apa ya, walaupun kita semua di prawiranya belum keluar semua potensinya, tapi ya udah bisa sampai di titik ini ya cukup bangga sih, cukup bangga. Cuman yang pasti as individual saya season ini banyak banget belajar, banyak banget yang diambil lah dari semua, dari pemain import, dari proses sekarang tahun ini gimana, terus dari challenge yang coach kasih, banyak banget belajar. Dan ya selalu ada setiap season selalu ada hal baik yang bisa diambil, selalu ada hal yang bisa dipelajarin biar untuk season depan lebih bagus lagi. Terus mungkin kalau misalnya soal season ini lebih ke apa ya, shout out sih untuk Coach Dave yang bisa tetap ngeracik tim ini bisa sampai di titik ini. Itu luar biasa banget sih, itu bener-bener yang wah itu mah ya can't imagine lah, maksudnya kalau misalkan Coach Dave nggak ada di tim ini tuh tim ini bakal jadi apa gitu. Itu bener-bener luar biasa ya gue ngerasain sendiri dari rookie sampai sekarang sama Coach Dave gimana, attend dia gimana ke game, terus plan dia ke game gimana. Itu bener-bener selama saya main basket ya paling bener-bener paling top lah, paling top dari soal scout apa segala macam, rutin apa segala macam. Itu bener-bener shout out to Coach Dave lah. You made this happen, man.
Thank you, man.
Like
You did too.
this season, a lot of struggles, stuff like that. It just thank you, Coach.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you.
This season is
Thank you.
kind of like a lot of struggles, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Terus ya paling itu sih kalau soal game.
Thank you.
And after the game, you shared a moment with Abraham.
Yeah.
Just what did you tell him, and you know how is that battle against him all every time?
Yeah, no, it's always a tough game. It's even to this day it's a little weird to see him over there away from our group, but that's life. That's how it works. But he's been I think the X factor and the key piece to this team at this moment for SM. I think if they don't have them, they're a whole different team. So credit to the work and the stuff that he puts in. He had a great night tonight. But what we talked about was just appreciating each other. We always go to war. We always battle each other. He might have said a couple nice things. I might not say that, but said a couple nice things to me. I said a couple nice things to him. He asked me some questions. I didn't respond to those questions. And then we had a couple laughs, and we just said, it's all love to each other. But I wish him nothing but the best. And I just remember where we started with this whole thing was with him and Yuta and him together, and it was such a wonderful time. But I wish Brom nothing but the best. He paid a lot of respect to us. He appreciates us a lot, and he said, what a fight that you gave us.
Last one, Coach. As we all know, your contract is expiring this season. Just how soon are you gonna think about your future with Prairie?
Yeah, I think soon. I think we gotta figure it out because things are gonna happen quick here with the national team in a couple months, and then the season will obviously be later. But I definitely want to get all those things resolved for the future, so you can feel a little bit more secure in what you're doing. We gotta go talk. I think I'm always gonna be open to conversation, of course, and I know that the club here, Warrior, wants to discuss and conversate, so we will do that. But anything outside of that there's nothing going on at this moment. I'm gonna take a couple days and figure out, where my head is at right now, and then when that time comes, everyone will know.
Kalau dibilang apa ya kekurangannya tim ini apa, sebenarnya kalau misalkan dibanding-bandingin sama season juara, season lalu, sebenarnya setiap season pasti ada aja kayak kurangnya apa. Cuman tahun ini tuh memang kalau aku ngerasanya sih nggak semuanya tuh kasih semua di lapangan gitu. Itu yang paling kerasa sih, kayak nggak semuanya berkorban, nggak semuanya tiap hari berkorban. Bahkan aku juga kadang ada day off-nya apa segala macam. Itu yang terus satu itu, terus yang keduanya soal accountable-nya sih. Accountability-nya itu tahun itu kurang bagus lah, nggak sebagus tahun-tahun lalu. Jadi terlalu banyak yang relax apa segala macam, itu sih yang membedain banget, yang kerasa banget itu sebenarnya. Ya makanya tadi yang aku bilang banyak banget yang bisa dipelajarin dari sini. Terus juga dengan roll up ini gimana, itu bekal banget lah untuk season selanjutnya gitu, untuk bisa jadi leader yang lebih baik, pemain yang lebih baik.
Puji Tuhan pastinya, what a hell of series ya, kasih kredit banget buat mereka. Prawira bermain luar biasa. Kami bersyukur banget dapat pengalaman, banyak banget apa yang harus kita betulin untuk menghadapi series yang pasti lebih berat ke depan. Jadinya good thing for us, but we still have a long way to go.
Thank you, Coach. And for Shannon, could you give us your comment about the game?
It was a very tough game, especially playing it back-to-back. So I gotta give a lot of credit to my teammates for getting mentally prepared, physically prepared to play a 40-minute game, and that's what we did.
Alright, thank you, Shannon.
Tempo pertandingan, coach suka dengan tempo hari ini atau mungkin harus bisa lebih push, lebih cepat lagi mainnya?
Jujur kita mau lebih cepat lagi. He asking for the tempo. I'm saying that with your team, we need to be more faster later. So this is only, I think, we still have more to do on the transition game. Game kelima kami mungkin secara ketiga, enam kami gitu. Jadi banyak banget makanya tadi ini series yang pengalaman bagus banget buat kami soal defense, offense. Jadi kita bisa lebih tahu lagi apa sih yang mereka bisa dimaksimalkan gitu. Jadi memang good game, dan harusnya kita bisa lebih rapi lagi nanti.
Untuk offense, last game 16 assists, tonight 25 assists. What do you think is the difference on the offense tonight?
We make the shot, and then we find the easiest one. Because of the defensive side, we can get skip steal, right, open loop, transition. Itu yang jadi lebih kesana sih field goal, dan defense-nya pasti lebih. Kalau kita lihat di sini point in the paint, we can hold them only like 6 points in the paint. So that's the biggest factor, I think. We can secure the rebound, then we can go transition a lot.
Do you like the 3-point attempts?
For us?
Yes.
Ya, tapi ya di liga kita average 36, right? That's the goal, but I think with semi-final later we need to high. Nggak bisa cuma segitu. Jadi memang target kita memang kita mau survive, kita mesti ada di level average itu atau enggak 40%. Kalau enggak susah. Maksudnya dengan level-level tim lawan kami, we need that kind of percentage of 3-point shot.
Kalau Bram tiba-tiba hari ini bisa 20 poin, kalau dari Coach Yoga sendiri apakah itu memang ada perubahan strategi untuk cara memakai Bram hari ini atau gimana?
Overall sih semua berubah sebenarnya. Maksudnya semua tuh ada adjustment di offense. Dia dapat apa ya, momennya aja. Ya, karena kita tahu ya he's a fighter. Kapanpun dia bisa dapat ya, momen itu. Ya tadi dia dapat memang nggak terlalu banyak kan 3 point, tapi banyak banget tusuk ke dalam karena kita juga punya pemain-pemain import yang jadi magnet gitu, jadi memang kosong di dalam. Jadi memang itulah beauty of our team right now. We have a lot of weapon to use later on.
Okay. And last one, how can you maximize our time in the next series? Because right now I think our time is still struggling.
Yeah, I'm happy that he's still not 100%. Right, there are a lot of things that I think we can do for him. Anyway, on defensive side, he protect our basket a lot. Jadi memang sometimes the failure of the offense maybe we cannot see, but on the defensive side, his presence is amazing for us.
What you guys? Apakah kalian main ini bete banget dengan kekalahan game kedua dan hari ini mungkin sense of urgency-nya lebih kelihatan?
I guess so, ya mungkin wake up call banget, mungkin terlalu nyaman juga, tapi ya kemarin kalah, bete banget sih, kayak itu seharusnya game kita ambil, harusnya kita bisa ambil day off lebih cepat buat lebih siap lagi di game selanjutnya, cuman ya I think ya it's a good wake up call, lebih gimana kita siapin game-game selanjutnya lagi sih.
Hari ini 25 assist. Kalau dari lu sendiri apa yang berbeda sih sama offense-nya SM di game ketiga ini?
I think ya mungkin hari ini kita lebih fluid, ball movement jauh lebih baik, kita lebih willing buat move the ball, lebih taktikal lah, jauh lebih baik lagi.
Juwan step up. A couple local players semua juga lumayan oke sih hari ini sih. Jadi apakah memang ada kemarin ada motivasi mungkin dari pelatih atau dari pemain asing untuk you guys gotta help us gitu.
Memang Coach Yobel selalu menekankan ke kita the urge of the 3-point shot. And I'm happy that balik lagi kemenangan ini upaya kolektif dari tim, semua step up, semua contribute dan ya it's easier to play basketball.
Nggak mau dipulangin sama Coach Dave.
Jangan lah, kayak gue tuh sejauh ini gue tuh selalu merasa gue kesulitan lawan Coach Dave, tapi ya di series ini gue bisa puji Tuhan main cukup baik. Ya gue I'm happy for myself dan ya gue happy lah bisa menang di series ini.
Tadi ngobrol apa tuh sama Coach Dave terakhir setelah game selesai?
Let me know where you going.
Dia bilang he will think about it really fast katanya. Really soon kata dia bilang really soon he gotta think about it. But overall juga mau tanya battle lo sama Yuda, because you have to guard Yuda the whole series juga kan.
Capek banget sih, capek banget. I mean Yuda is an amazing player. Sky is the limit for him. Gue sangat mendoakan dia bisa main average hari nanti dan ya lebih konsisten aja Yuda biar bisa menang MVP.
Please join my channel, guys.